Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Sorry about the cough, but everybody should check out Hoople's Cat. Okay, there's our pal up north, Hoople's Cat. So please check out Hoople's Cat. I finally got a good picture of him. That's Hoople's Cat. EPL. I have no idea what that means. And probably if I played this, everybody would freak out. So I'll play it. We've seen his face. That's Hoople's Cat. Okay, yeah, let's hang that up. Okay, back to more serious stuff, boys and girls. Hi, I'm Uncle Al, and today it's Uncle Al's story time. Oh boy, it's story time by Uncle Al. Yes, and today's story time is about everything's what's going on. It's who are the puppet masters? Sorry, my voice is a little bit hinky. That's better. Okay, who are the puppet masters? Well, if you watch TV and everybody's freaking out in mass shootings, and everybody has their theory, Uncle Alan doesn't do fear porn. He's been telling you this over a year and a half. A year and a half. Yes, you have, Uncle Al. And also all these hidden messengers. But people are damn stupid. Thank you, Uni. Yay, Canada. Okay, now, big problem is a lot of people don't understand what's going on. And it's a combination of things. So please check out these channels. Nathan 407, it's Nathan 4071, Jordan Jakenberg, Hoople's Cat, I just showed his picture, Andrew Hondo, Detroit Prepping, uh, Winging It with Irish Colleen, she did a wonderful video, and Lori Jean, they also did a lovely video. I'm going to put that in the barf bucket. And half of you I know are watching this on phones and probably Detroit Prepping. So, okay, there's Detroit Prepping. And yes, Lord Jean, I got you up there. Okay. Not to freak out, a Kayfabe, your future, my past. Puppets are everywhere. I used another word for it, but YouTube in a lot of places gets a little sensitive, including the Democrats and the communists and the socialists and then everybody else I think who's involved with all this crud. Okay, there is 138 million bad guy puppets in the U.S. Sorry, I misspelled. And also, people don't play Rambo or Batman in the Boondocks. It's getting ridiculous. Uncle Alan's getting old and Uncle Alan's getting sick. Okay, what did I write on? Doing cardboard today. Okay, back to the foodstuffs. All right, I wrote this down so a lot of you guys don't forget. You need 250 pounds of canned food, your choice. 750 dry goods in pounds, your choice. And 300 pounds of bulk food. And that's for one person for 1 year and 365 gallons of water. That's for one person. I have to make this very clear because a lot of you don't get it. Now, Uncle Alan in the past lost 2 plus 2 caches of food and water. So I don't want to hear you guys cry, oh, it's too expensive. I did it. You can do it too. Okay? Today's the month of August, and we're talking about baking mixes. So a lot of you knows how to do a vegan mix. Really interesting to know. Okay? September is instant mashed potato. Now there's a little story to that one for whatchamacallit. It magnified the imagination reach channel. In the 80s, Uncle Alan was working in one of the test kitchens at Burger King. It's a normal Burger King, and we test out new products. Now, what they did was they had a lot of instant mashed potatoes because they had a contract, and they're wondering what they could do with it. I told them croquettes, and they look at me like, croquette? What the hell's a croquette? I said, your idea for French fries from an extruder will not work. Has to be chilled or slightly frozen. And did they listen to Uncle Al? Nah, never listen. Even if I threaten them with one of these kitchen mallets, they won't listen. Okay? Now I'll probably do a video on that for Reed, how to make French fries out of instant mashed potatoes. Okay, and follows the next subject for November, fats and cooking oils. Followed by November, baking staples to go with flour or baking mixes. And then December, to round it off, spices, condiments, and vinegar. Now, Cheryl Hirsch of DUI Fund has a really good video out on uses of vinegar. Okay, because Uncle Alan's losing his voice and I'm getting tired, so I gotta do this quick. Remember, you got less than 4 months, 3 weeks left, kids. I'm not kidding about it. 4 months, 3 weeks left. And you should already have 1 year supply of food and water, packing up for 4 people. I can't make this any simpler because Uncle Alan's sick as hell. Okay. No, I won't talk about that. No, I forgot the new gun guys out there. Okay, a lot of you guys are deciding what kind of rifle I can get or handgun. I'll go with a rifle and 5,000 rounds of ammo. The easiest one I could recommend is a 22 long rifle in a semi-automatic. Easy to put away 5,000 rounds. Very simple. Sorry it's getting kind of goofy looking, but Uncle Alan has old equipment. You try to film on stuff like this. Okay? Not because you're really cheap, Uncle Al? Yes, that too. Okay. Shout outs to LS, Prep For It, Wasteland Prepping, GM Survival. I cannot pronounce her name. KLS Enoch, and Bitty Boo's Homestead, and Homestead Decor, and more. And then our friend Steve, Corsair Trainer. Who, Uncle Al? Corsair Trainer. Now, because of China and Trump and Congress are not playing like adults and they're acting stupid as hell, I need every American to save in red state $2,500. Blue state $4,800 in a blue state. And all you people who want to make lots of money, you want $10,000, you don't touch it, you put it in a passbook account and leave it alone. Every millionaire, every multimillionaire has one of these. Sometimes they forget it a long time ago, but it comes up and they can't believe how much interest they get. And don't forget, our friend Anthony Palmetto Prepared do the digital products, and it doesn't take too much time, maybe 10-15 minutes out of your day, and you can pre-program it, load it up, put it through email, send it off to Amazon, and sell your product. Now, I have another book I'll show you in a few minutes. This is one, it's a long one. We have Let's Talk About Prepping. We have Tyler. Tyler, you only have 4 months, 3 weeks left. Get your act together. You have Cheryl Hurst, UI Fun. Go check out our new video. Little Prepper Lady. Again, I don't do fear porn. Prepping in Progress. Yeah, I don't do fear porn. And Imagination, and Magnify the Imagination. That's Reed's channel. Boy, my barf bucket's getting full pretty quick. And don't forget Will Patriot. Sorry, Will, I don't like to do contests anymore. I'm too tired and I always pass my winnings on to the next person who needs it. Modern Refugee. Winter's Coming Kid. Kayfabe. Everybody supports Kayfabe. Somebody gets her a proper camera. Send her cash. If everybody who hears me, 1,000 people can hear me, send Kayfabe $4.80. 1,000 people. So you'll figure out the math. Okay? It's for a cheap cup of coffee. $4.80. Send it to Kayfabe. You could mail it to her. Drive her nuts. And let's not forget our friend, Will Russell, tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Mountain Time, just in time prepping with Will Russell. And you also have a Saturday for a drawing for people who shows up Monday morning. Bring your friends and drag them over. And on Monday and Friday event, see your local time schedule for that. Let's see. Little sticker. Okay, that's just in time prepping with Will Russell. So check them out. I have to agree with my friend Wayne of Westwind Survival. Yeah, it's part of the problem. Okay. The big picture is, here's my question, kids, and you got to understand and answer it right. Don't panic. AFAB, this is just a prop. It's my kitchen mallet. Okay. Who are the puppet masters? I keep repeating this over and over again in all my videos. But do people watch it or learn or hear the hidden messages? No.
For the last time, no.
Okay, do they hear the messages?
No.
Okay, don't forget, we start off with a 3-day supply of food, 72 hours. Okay, that's breakfast, hot drink, cold drink, snack, lunches, cold, hot drink, snack, bars. Dinner is hot drink, side dish, and a snack. Okay, and you set it up like then 7-day, 14-day, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Easy as pie. I can't chart this out any easier. And it takes time to write it on a wetboard. Oops, there you are. Sorry, this takes too long. Normally I do it under 10 minutes, but this is important. Now I bought this one at Sam's Club, and I got it for $1.50. Really good couscous. You can make this in less than 5 minutes. This is curry couscous with almonds and cranberries. I added more cranberries, but it's really good as a side dish. Comes out really quick, easy to digest if you have digestive issues. And I'm sending 2 of these. Yes, the date's still good. It's good until next year. Okay, because they only had 2 left, or 3 left. So I bought them up, and they gave me a good price on it. Okay, food and provisions of the mountain. You want to see how fast we get to the 1840s? This is why I ask people in the comments, do you have a bucket of hardtack, 5-gallon bucket of hardtack? And most people are like, I got rust. I got flour, Uncle Al. Good, then eat it. And then this one, Y2K Survival Guide and Cookbook. Something old and something weird. Because Uncle Alan's old and weird. This is my favorite by David Nash. Any of you who are ration people should have this book and be reading it. Okay, now I gotta take off this hat. You don't see me over here too well, but it's nighty in the house. And I got fans. I got the ceiling fan. And I got the AC, the swamp cooler, and the forced draft portable cooler. It's not one of those, I know how AC works, so it's not that. Because I have to load it with 15 pounds of ice. Okay, sorry about this. I am tired. I'm doing this fast as I can. Okay, kids, you know me with the top hat. I'm going to wear this again. Lord, I'm going to cook for art. Okay, now I'm going to be a little busy because I got to write that letter to Kayfabe. Because a lot of people don't know how to read, so I have to write it really slow. Okay, so I'll catch you later, kids. Bye, kids. Lisa Clown told you who are the puppet masters. That's all you have to need to know is that question. Who are the puppet masters and what's going on? And all the answers will fall into place, kids. Just ask him that question. You go up to a Democrat and ask, who are your puppet masters? And you yell it into their face. Okay? Could be Democrat, Republican. It could be your neighbor. Because a lot of people still don't understand it. Bye on the hidden messages, kid. I'll catch you later. Maybe I'll continue this discussion later. If you like it, hit like, subscribe, hit the little bell, and be sure to leave a comment and tell me you want to hear more about who are the puppet masters and what's going on today. Because I know YouTube and I know who's controlling them. Bye, kids.